Welcome! In this video, we will learn when and how to reactivate license in TallyPrime. TallyPrime is designed to directly use the license running on Tally ERP9 if license is active and TSS is valid at the time of updating to TallyPrime. There will be no need to reactivate or configure the license. TallyPrime will start the license in active mode. You will have the need to reactivate your Tally ERP9 license in TallyPrime in two scenarios. The first scenario is when you update from Tally ERP9 to TallyPrime and the license is valid but TSS is expired, or when Tally ERP9 is in educational mode. In this scenario, TallyPrime will start in educational mode after updating from Tally ERP9. You can select Reactivate License option in the Startup screen and reactivate your license using your TallyNet ID and password. If TSS is expired, renew the TSS to be able to reactivate the license in TallyPrime. The second scenario is when you do not update directly to TallyPrime from Tally ERP9 but install TallyPrime separately either in the same system or in a different system. You will have to reactivate the license in TallyPrime using TallyNet ID and password. As soon as you reactivate the license in TallyPrime, the license in Tally ERP will stop working. If you have installed TallyPrime in the same system as Tally ERP9, you can use the TallyPrime license in Tally ERP9 also. To use it in Tally ERP9, you can connect to Tally Gateway displayed in Manage License screen of TallyPrime. If you do not want to reactivate the license immediately after installing TallyPrime, you can use it in education mode and reactivate the license later at any time by going to Top menu, F1 Help, Settings, License, Manage License. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.